Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I apologize, it's been a while since my last video, but I'll talk about that more later in the video as to why it's been a while. Today I'm going to make this walnut cabinet topper for these Ikea cabinets. There's three individual cabinets that I made one topper for to kind of lock them together to display my fitted hats. I have an extensive fitted hat collection, and I wanted to dress these Ikea cabinets up a little bit. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe. I try to interact with every comment that I get. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, here's what we got. We got these diamond shaped pieces that I've done the chamfer on. Now you saw me earlier in the video, I chamfered this long sticks before I cut them into these pieces. That way I had less to route on the router. I did try a smaller router on all four sides, but I didn't like that. I think the bigger chamfer is more of the look I was going for. So, and what I'm going to do is lay them out in the, I guess they call it like a 3D box or square pattern. So here's the center of my workpiece, and I'll zoom out here in a minute. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up this first piece perfectly centered on my center lines. And I'm just going to use a little bit of wood glue and some super glue so I can do this. So what I'm going to do is mount this one perfectly centered there, and then I'm just going to build out as I go. And I moved it a little bit, but so what we'll end up with is this pattern going all over this board, and it's about 12 by 40 this board. Like I said, I'll zoom out here in a minute, but so you can kind of see what I'm going for here. And the reason I'm going in the center of the board is so everything is even on all four sides. So when I go to trim the outside and put the border on that I'm going to put on, it'll fit on top of the cabinet we're making. So now I made 401 of these, and if I did my math correct, I need 333 to completely cover this board. So hopefully I should have plenty left, and then I can maybe make something else with them down the road or whatever. And I really like sap wood and walnut. I just like the way that the kind of cream goes with the more cocoa-y color, warmer color of the walnut. So, and I'm not going to pick any certain pieces. I'm just going to go at random and just put them on how they go, and we'll see what happens from there. Alright guys, as you can see, the main body of it is done. Now I just got to do these pieces that are hanging off. So my glue came in that I ordered, I told you about earlier. So I'm going to glue these on good. So I think what I'm going to have to do is track saw to trim this up. I can't think of a better way to do it. So I'm going to do this off camera because it's a lot more of the same. But I just wanted to just show you what the next step was. Well, here it is, guys. Finally complete. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I had unexpected surgery on the palm of my hand, and we had a winter storm. We had a foot of snow here in the New Orleans area, and also with the holidays and things like that. So, and this was my first for me, doing a lot of things, doing resawing of the lumber and doing these angles like this. And is it perfect? No, but I'm very happy with it. I think it's beautiful. And I used Waco lacquer on it, satin lacquer. And so I couldn't be more thrilled. Now, this is my hats display, and I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you some beauty shots and put my hats in it here. So thank you for watching, for sticking around to the end. If this is your first time here, please consider liking and subscribing. Leave comments. I interact with everybody. So thank you. And now the beauty shots.